Hey guys, this is Mike Taralla with Qlik. I figured I'd spend a few minutes showing you some of the new capabilities that we've just added to the QlikSense Cloud. If you're familiar with the QlikSense Cloud, go right ahead and watch this video. If you're not, you might want to look at the first video in the QlikSense Cloud forum that introduces you to the QlikSense Cloud and shows you how to get started. So I'm going to log in because I'm already registered. And we have a section here now called Personal Data Files. Inside here is where we can actually upload file-based data. Now remember, you have a 1 GB limitation in storage space and a QlikSense app limit of 25 MB. So take that in consideration when you are uploading these files. So what I'm going to do is import a file, and we can choose from our directory structure, or I can drop files right here. I so happen to have my orders file that I'm going to drop right here. Click import, and you can see that file is 1 MB in size. And I'm going to actually take another one here called Smart Customers and drop that right there and click import. And now I have these two files. Upon doing so, keep in mind the files that we've uploaded take into consideration the storage space that's available. Now I'm going to go to my personal cloud and create a new app, and I'm just going to call this Sales Analysis. Create app. Now you'll notice when this starts, we're actually spinning up a personal node, if you will, on this hosted server that we have. So it might take a little bit longer in the beginning because we're spinning up that service. As you can see, it's not too long. You have complete access to the data load editor as well as the data manager. Here, if I click add data, upon uploading those data files, it actually creates a personal folder for you where those data files are stored. You can see here I have my smart orders and my smart customers. So I'm going to click smart orders. And I have my orders table selected already. I'm going to click load and finish. Click close. And I can actually go back into my data manager. I'm going to add more data. And I'm going to add my smart customers. And as you might have seen in other videos as well, after I select my tables here, I'm going to select profile. And this enables the smart data load capability that allows me to explore the relationships that I might not be aware of in the data, such as there isn't a relationship between order and categories. However, there is between category ID and category number. We've got to make those column names the same. This customer ID is not the correct relationship. It's actually customer ID and customer number. And go to the next one. Nothing here. Go to the next one, product number and product ID. Now there's a video in the community that goes through smart data load in more detail, so I'm just going through this quickly just to kind of show you the process of doing this within QlikSense Cloud. So now I click load and finish. Close. I can go back to my app overview, click on new sheet, click edit, and now I can create an app just like I have from utilizing QlikSense Desktop or even QlikSense Enterprise. So we'll add sales, and I'll add our dimension, category name. Now I'm not going to go into any of this stuff on the settings and properties. You've probably seen that already. If not, again, they're in the videos. But now this app is done. So I can start utilizing it, and I can actually go back to Qlik Cloud Hub, and I can take this app and I can publish this to the shared cloud. And by publishing this to the shared cloud, which is my shared stream, this enables me to now share this with other users. And again, I'm not going to go through that process because it is in the other video. You might actually have to refresh the browser just to see that app. So there's the sales analysis app that's there. Okay, and then here you can actually click share and put in the email address of the person you want to share that with. Okay, now the other thing that's neat is once the app has been shared within the shared cloud, you can actually click on the chart objects and share those individually by embedding them into a web page that is publicly accessible. So a quick example, if I click on my new sheet and I right click on my chart, you can see there's a new menu item for share, and this actually gives you the direct link and the embed code that basically just puts kind of like an iframe inside your HTML page. Now if you are a web developer, or even if you are a blog creator and you're familiar with that process, you could actually introduce the QlikSense charts that you create inside your app into a public website or public facing custom web page. And I'll just take this URL, copy it, open up a new browser, paste it in, and you can see there is the actual chart object that was inside the app. And it's completely responsive, so you'll be able to put it in however you wish into your application. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. Let me share the videos page so you can see where to get more information. Okay, so in the Qlik community, there is this video index that basically allows you to get started with Qlik Sense very quickly. They're short, succinct videos that cover a variety of different topics, including the ones that I just went over. Okay, so I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.